have the Shipyard Ship Repair Facility of the Year, sponsored by the Department of Seaports and Customs, Sharjah. And the finalists here in this category, we have Al-Buadi Damon, Drydocks World Dubai. Thank you, as much of that as possible. We condone cheering, thank you. We also have Inter-Ocean Ship Repair, Nico International, thank you, Oman Dry Dock Company, all on his own there, all on his own. Vijay Marine Services, fine finalists, all of them, and presenting the award for the winner. Would you please welcome to the stage Mr. Yaquob Abdullah, Director, Marketing and Promotions of the Department of Seaports and Customs, Sharjah. A welcome, please. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Good evening. And the winner is Drydocks World Dubai.
Drydocks World Dubai. Stepping onto the stage now to receive this prestigious award tonight, would you welcome please Mr. Damir Glavan, COO, Drydocks World Dubai. A huge welcome please, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, please, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for Drydocks World Dubai. Congratulations, give them a great round of applause.